Para todas las mujeres que quieran adentrarse en el mundo de STEM, quiero decirles que no tengan miedo, que la pasión por lo que hacemos es lo más importante en tu carrera. Y a pesar de que puede intimidar el hecho que la mayoría de la comunidad STEM sea masculina, las mujeres somos igual de capaces. Cada vez somos más las mujeres que abrimos camino, derribamos barreras y demostramos nuestro talento. Y lo mejor de todo, estamos creando referentes para que las futuras generaciones sepan que el STEM también son para ellas. Sigamos nuestra pasión y seamos parte del cambio.
Hello everyone, I'm Daisy, and I'm a CAE engineer. Many people have told me that girls are not suitable for STEM positions, but I really like it and have been working in this field for over 3 years. If you also enjoy working in this field, here is my advice. Don't hesitate, be brave and just join. STEM is never a one-way transaction. You don't need to prove to the world that women are suitable for STEM. Instead, you should make STEM different because of women.
Hello, my name is Simone Schmid and I'm currently working as a junior account manager in the sales team of IDIADA Germany. My advice to women who want to study and work in STEM is to follow their interests. Study hard, gain knowledge, experience, and get skills. Don't let stereotypes hold you back. Do what you're passionate about, and don't be intimidated by being the only woman in a team or in a meeting. Trust in yourself, in your skills and in your knowledge, and show through your work that your added value is not determined by your gender.
So I believe that it's become a common understanding that different perspectives are fundamental to the success of developing technologies. Having women at IDIADA and in the automotive sector in general show that we're being represented, considered, and we play an active role in these technological advancements. The constant change in engineering and its progress affect everybody, and never just one group of the population.
Hi everyone, myself Jayashri. I'm working as a senior project engineer in a field traditionally dominated by men. I'm proud to stand here as a female engineer at Applus IDIADA, breaking stereotypes every day. Coming from a rural background, I have seen how stereotypes can limit the opportunities, especially for the women in automotive industry. There's belief that this field isn't meant for us, but at IDIADA, we are proving otherwise. I'm not alone. Here we stand together, empowered by the support of our colleagues, male and female alike. We believe lifting each other up, encouraging and proving that women can excel in any field. In this industry, teamwork isn't just about gender. It's about working together, respecting each other's strengths, and breaking barriers. Being a woman in automotive isn't just about the job title. It's about breaking societal norms, challenging expectations, and showing that passion and skill go beyond gender. At Applus IDIADA, we don't just talk about empowerment, we live it. Happy Women's Day from all of us. Thank you.